Let's continue Chapter 5, that is Coal and Petroleum. Now let's know the history of coal, that is how the coal was formed. Coal was formed about 3 million years ago when the earth was covered with huge swampy forests. Over the passage of time and due to some natural processes like floods and earthquakes, these plants died and fell into the swampy water. New plants grew up to take their places, and there was thick layer of dead plants rotting in the swamp under the new plants. In the similar manner, old plants got buried deep under the surface of the earth, and new plants took their place. After millions of years, many layers of dead and decaying plants were formed. Heat and pressure produced chemical and physical changes in the plant layers, which forced out oxygen, and only carbon-rich deposits were left. Material that once had been plants become coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, so the slow conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. This is how coal was formed. So coal is a fossil fuel that is the remains of ancient trees. Next topic is energy from coal. When the coal burns in air, it gives us energy. As you know, the main constituent of coal is carbon, and there are so many varieties of coal. When the coal burns in air, it means carbon combines with oxygen to give carbon dioxide, heat, and energy. So coal is not only burned to produce energy, but there are so many useful products which is obtained from processing of coal, like coal gas, coal tar, and coke. Next we come to destructive distillation of coal. Here you can see a setup for destructive distillation of coal. Coal is processed in industry for various uses. For processing, coal is heated strongly in the absence of air in a closed container. From this, various useful products such as coke, coal tar, and coal gas are formed. And this process is called destructive distillation of coal. The first product obtained during destructive distillation of coal is coal gas. It is a mixture of methane, hydrogen, and carbon monoxide. It is considered a good fuel. It is used as a source of heat. In the year 1810, for the first time, coal gas was used for street lighting in London. It is also used as a cooking gas and for lighting purpose. These days, it is used as a fuel in many industries. The next product obtained from coal is coal tar. It is black and thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. The products obtained from coal tar are used for manufacturing substances such as dyes, drugs, explosives, and perfumes. Naphthalene balls, which are used to repel moths and other insects, are also obtained from coal tar. Bitumen, a petroleum product, is now used in place of coal tar for constructing roads. The last thing which remains behind is called residue. So coke is the residue which left behind in the destructive distillation of coal. Coke is rough, porous and black in color. It is considered the purest form of carbon. It contains 98% carbon. It is used to manufacture steel and also in the extraction of various metals. It also makes an excellent fuel because it gives off more heat than coal and does not produce smoke. I hope all the topics are clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.